In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate contracts in HubSpot. Let's get started so you can set this up quickly and confidently. Start in your HubSpot account. From the main dashboard, click the Settings icon in the top navigation bar. In the left sidebar, open Objects and choose Quotes. Here, enable e-signature by turning the e-signature switch to on. This allows your quotes, which many teams use as contracts, to be signed digitally, removing friction and speeding up the approval process. Next, still in the left sidebar settings, go to Automation and select Workflows. In the top right, click Create Workflow and choose from Scratch. In the panel that opens, scroll to the bottom and click Skip Trigger, then choose Eligible Records. This tells HubSpot that you'll define who can be enrolled later. Under the field that asks for the type of record that can enroll, select Deal. Click Save and Continue at the top to lock in the deal object. This ensures your automation will run on deals rather than contacts or companies. Now, click the Trigger card and pick When Filter Criteria is Met. Set the enrollment criteria that should kick off your contract process. For example, Deal Stage is Closed 1. Click Save. Choose the criteria that matches your sales process so contracts only trigger when you're ready. Below the trigger, click the plus icon to add an action. Select what should happen automatically once the criteria is met. You can create a task to prompt a rep to send the quote for signature, or choose Send Internal Email Notification to alert your team that a deal is ready for contracting. After choosing your preferred action, click Save. Keep the actions simple and tied to moving the contract forward. When everything looks good, click Review and Turn On in the top right. This activates your workflow so it runs automatically based on the criteria you set. From here on, when a deal meets your filter, like moving to Closed 1, HubSpot will follow the action you configured. And with e-signature enabled on quotes, your contracts can be signed digitally without manual back and forth. That's it. You've enabled e-signature, built a deal-based workflow, defined the trigger, added your action, and turned it on. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.